8 p.m. and there's still so much light. Could be our spot, the Mirrorville. What do people build these for? For fires?
Fires.
Okay. Almost look like mini houses. That really was the best spot where we were at. There's nobody there.
Yeah.
You wanna pet a husky? It's a very small husky. Usually they're bigger. I love the color of the water in the sun. It looks emerald. So good.
When we first got here, wow. And then especially on the phone.
Let's go this way because I need to pick up a bottle that I left. Bye, Marysville. Bye. Crossing the roads.
Chickens in the road.
It is funny how it's right on the road, the lake. They just put the road straight through it. This way. Let's go see if the guys are still there. They probably left, huh?
Probably. Or maybe they're camping here.
Ooh, 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 ooh. A night fun of camping. When was the last time you went camping?
It's been a couple years. But one of my friends used to do it a lot at the river.
Friends? Like who? Sam? Sam?
Yeah.
I remember her name.
Sam, there's Sophia.
Like, what'd you do when you go camping?
We
What kind of activities?
just hang out on the water and then come back and we make like burgers and
Oh,
hot dogs
s'mores?
or whatever. S'mores, yeah.
You know how to make fire?
Yeah.
Really? How come we've never done it? Oh yeah, it's not like we're friends.
Well, I know how to make a fire with the stuff that's there. That's like it comes like since it's my family's property. There's like a lot of like lighter fluid. There's like it's not like a
Where would you sleep?
that you bring a tent.
So, is it somewhere close to your aunt's place that you went camping?
No, it's just on the river. So it's like very similar to this.
Can you hold my chat? I'll go pee.
Yeah.
Because I peed here before. This is my pee
Your markings
area.
I'm gonna see exactly where.
She's had her markings here.
Oh, it's even wet still.
That's how you know she's been here. Ooh. Hey, chat. How you guys doing? Yeah. Sorry. Hey, guys. I didn't mean to neglect you here.
You know, sometimes I would pretend that they asking me a certain question just because I want to answer the question. I would read it off even though it's not there. And I would like answer it. I do that sometimes. I feel like everybody does it at some point, right?
Yeah. Just talk to yourself. Okay, chat. Sorry if I put some urine on you, but I'm holding you with my... You know, I didn't have any napkins. I kind of just like shook it off. But...
Shake.
The little shake shake. Okay, let's go see if the guy's up there. It's not creepy. We're just making friends, right? Is it creepy?
How else do we make friends out here besides stalking them?
Like, what's the definition of stalking? Because you know, sometimes we have actual stalkers in Twitch.
Yeah, no, we're not doing that.
Are you sure?
Well,
like, what is the line?
The line?
Where's the line?
Depends if it's want it or not. I don't think these people mind.
They don't know if they. Yeah, probably actually. It's just under the bridge. The under the bridge part looks kind of funky to me.
Yeah.
Oh well. I'll wait till Moscow.
Yeah.
Plenty.
Plenty, yeah.
I don't want to go in here. Wow, this looks really good. Let's come here next time, like when it's a little hotter. I actually really enjoyed this water.
The views with the mountains.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is like, oh, the water's so still, quiet here.
Let's enjoy it for a second. Oh, now I remember. I don't think we'd be able to do all the content here because there's a bunch of people. We just went to like a more remote location.
No, I thought our location was separated from the road to something.
Yeah, it is further from the road for sure. But like seeing this and not like I really want to go in.
Nice. Yeah,
this is
looks
like a postcard. Like
yeah. The water is so still on the hood. I wonder if it's the bridge. Like,
I don't know why it's such an awkward way to put the road in.
yeah, like it's so crazy because the water over there is faster, and then as soon as it goes past the bridge, it's.
It seems like there's an end right there. Maybe that's why it just goes still in there.
No, I don't think so. There's the river. Gotta be
You think it continues? Is it the nutsuck?
This is
The
not
nutsuck?
the nutsack.
The nutsuck.
This might be the Skagit.
I know one of them is a nutsuck.
Nutsack River is huge. It's got different.
That's what she said.
Yeah.
What kind of dog is that?
Looks like a mutt.
Mutt.
Oh, mutt.
I don't like mutt. I like wolves.
Wolf dog?
Yes. Honestly, dogs were wolves, and then humans somehow domesticate, like they turn into little pussies. I don't understand. What was the point of it? It's like exactly what's happening to men these days. They went from wolves to those ugly pugs, and like, have you seen what is it? Oh, Italian Greyhound. Or like that
That's
shit
a
is
very specific dog.
but it's super ugly. Or like it's kind of like Chihuahua too. And I'm just like, oh my god, why would you ever?
One.
Because the reason why they exist because humans encourage that. Yeah. They feed them, they take them home. No, just go let them in the wild. They're gonna be killed off in like a couple weeks, all of them.
That's true.
But like, why humans want that shit? I don't get it. Who likes that? Just so you feel better that you better than your dog because it's so ugly? Like, I don't understand. What's the point of having dogs?
It's got like designer dogs. There's a kind.
What do you mean designer dogs?
They're just like those like bougie dogs.
Yeah, but they don't look bushy. They look ugly as fuck. They look like they want to
Most
die.
designer dogs do look ugly.
They shake it like, kill me, kill me. That shouldn't exist.
I don't like being here either.
Oh wait, are you holding my thing?
No.
I forgot my thing.
Yeah, but when we passed by, I couldn't see it. So I think maybe someone picked it up. Because I did look.
Because I forgot to look.
I did look.
Okay.
I also don't know exactly where you put it, but...
Farewell.
You can feel the heat from the pavement.
This is probably like as good as you can get a summer in here, just like in America, because other states it's so much hotter and they don't have as much green. The green is what helps like survive the heat.
Yeah, it does. Gives you a lot of like blockage.
Exactly.
And it's just fresh. Like it doesn't, even though it's hot, it doesn't feel like really sticky and hot.
Oh, the air is wonderful here. One of the best airs I smell. Can we toss all these bottles there?
That's
not a trash can? Damn.
I know.
It looks just like a trash can.
No
like recycling trash can.
I found one.
I find that it's a big issue with the whole state. I really don't understand why.
Oh, there's bears here. You see?
The warn us about the bears.
They are.
I had a bear close to our house. It just was caught on camera, just running around with babies.
Oh.
Yeah, it looks like just like that, like the black bear.
Color.
The one on the left, not the grizzly, but the black bear. That's what we had. Look at that.
Wow.
This one
This guy.
with 2 cubs. Tall ears, straight face, no prominent shoulder hub. I got you. Wait, is one like scary and dangerous and the other one's not?
They're both dangerous, but this guy's definitely more danger.
He looks meaner.
Yeah.
He looks like half a possum,
Yeah.
half bear.
He's
I
big
don't
boy.
like you.
Big boy.
Honestly, I've seen some videos of bears and like encounter humans at their like nearby their houses, and it's always funny because the humans are the ones that scared. The bears just
they're always
kinda, like,
startled. I
yeah,
know,
they're
like,
always startled.
what are
They're
you
just
doing?
like
Yeah.
passing by, and they only. Oh,
Yeah.
if anything, the bear gets scared only because the man gets scared.
There's like garbage over there.
Nice. So
Yeah, I know,
it's
I know.
always a video of just a bear
I
passing,
know, they're both like,
and the bear sees the human and it's like just
Yeah.
passing, and then once the man sees and goes,
Sees it,
oh,
yeah.
and then the bear's like just runs the other way because
Yeah.
the human runs, right? They both
Yeah.
start running, but if the humans didn't react in such a way that they're scared, I think it would just be like chilling, like, hey buddy, hey.
Yeah, I think I'm passing by in the
Yeah.
situation. It's like probably acting like that will have a higher chance to get attacked.
Yeah,
It's,
because
like,
you
startling
causing the
them.
tension is that
Yeah.
it doesn't need to be tension. No
Yeah.
one's being attacked. They just assume that they're gonna get attacked, but no one's really attacking them. The bear's just curious. They're probably looking for food or just
Yeah,
chilling.
they are. They're looking for a quick snack.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be you. You can give them some chips and they're gone on their way.
Here.
Good day, sir. All right, trash can.
What is the trash? That's why they're. I was wondering because when I went to the other one, hard to get into, must be because of the bears.
Have you ever encountered a bear here?
I have seen them, but like not.
Are they
like
actually
up close.
dangerous?
But I've seen them when I went up. Like I used to go hike in the hills.
But like, will they actually attack you?
I don't
I
know.
don't think so. I think they just want the goodies and suckies. Don't we all? Here, I'll help you.
Keep Mira's lane nice and clean.
I did like this spot. I think we should come back.
I do like this spot too. It's not as populated as I was thinking too with his response.
Oh yeah, it was very
I thought it was
chill.
gonna be like lots of people.
But I do agree we should come a little bit earlier in the day.
Yes. Especially if you want to do one of those hikes.
Wait, I just realized we didn't even hike. We just chilled by the lake.
I kind of figured that was gonna happen.
All right, I'm gonna change it of the wet bikini. It is pretty wet.
Mine is pretty dry now, honestly.
Actually, should I keep it? I definitely want to keep the. I want to change the bottom because wet bottom. Oh,
Yeah, that's the worst.
Wait, are you changing?
I'm just gonna take my shoes off.
I can just turn this off if you want to change.
No, I was just taking my shoes off because they're muddy. Don't want to get them in your car.
Oh yeah, it gets wet. I mean, you can put them in the back.
I was just gonna put them in my backpack.
Really, it's gonna get really dirty.
Okay. It's better than your car.
I don't want to change back into the dress. It's not like we're gonna hike anymore, are we?
Mm-mm.
Yeah, I feel like it's... Are you hungry?